What are the chemical properties of textile fibers? Acid and alkali. Acid or alkali is harmful for cellulose and protein fibers. Water. Water is very important to determine the properties of fiber. Moisture regain. Moisture regain is expressed as percentage. Moisture content. Moisture content is also expressed as percentage. And absorbency, heat and sunlight. These are the chemical properties of textile fibers.
Chemical and mechanical properties of textile fibers. Mechanical properties. Mechanical properties describe how a material reacts to external forces like pushing, pulling, or twisting. Strength and hardness and elasticity are examples of mechanical properties. Chemical properties explain how a material interacts with other material in a given environment. What are the mechanical properties? The mechanical properties of a material reflect the relationship between its response or deformation to the applied load or force. Important mechanical properties are strength, hardness, ductility, and stiffness. What are the any five mechanical properties? Key mechanical properties of metals include strength, ductility, toughness, fatigue resistance, hardness. Chemical properties of textile fiber. Acid and alkali. Acid or alkali is harmful for cellulose and protein fibers. Therefore, the effect of acid and alkali must be known during bleaching, dyeing, and finishing. Different fibers react differently with acid and alkali. For example, cotton and linen damaged when they are subjected to concentrated hydrochloric, sulfuric, and nitric acid. Also, diluted solution of those acids can make harm to the fibers. On the other hand, concentrated alkaline solution is not harmful to cotton and linen. Wool is not affected by dilute solution of acid, but concentrated acid and alkali damage the wool easily. So acid and alkali must be chosen properly to use in different purpose of processing. Water. Water is very important to determine the properties of fibers. According to the behaviors of fibers with water, fibers are classified into two groups, hydrophobic and hydrophilic. Water is used in processes like soaring and dyeing, etc. Moisture regain. Moisture regain is expressed as percentage. It is the ratio of oven dry weight of the material to the weight of water in this material and multiplied of hundreds. Moisture content. Moisture content is also expressed as percentage in the ratio of woven dry weight of the material to the total weight of the material. Woven dry weight plus weight of water in this material. Absorbency. Normally, textile fibers absorb moisture. The ability of the fiber to take up the moisture is known as absorbency. The absorbency is expressed in terms of moisture regain. Among all the fibers, cotton absorbs easily. For the property, cotton requires more time to dry. Moisture regain of wool is 16%, for silk is 10%. It seems like dry after regain for silk. The clothes we wear are more comfortable, which ability is higher to absorb. Heat. Effect of heat is a vital point during drying, ironing, steaming, and some other operations. Different fibers behave differently under heat. Some fibers burn when some scorch when heat is applied. Some fibers do not combustible. Example, mineral fiber, glass fiber, etc. Cotton is easily flammable. Wool is hardly flammable fiber. Sunlight. When we wear cloth or fabric, it comes to the touch of sunlight. It is very familiar to us. Effect of sunlight should be kept in mind for general people. Sunlight reduces the strength of cotton and it becomes yellow. Linen is better than cotton in sunlight, but cotton is better than silk. What are the physical and chemical properties of linen? Physical properties of flax or linen fibers. Color yellowish to gray. Length 18 to 30 inch. Tensile strength tenacity of 5.5 to 6.5 gms per den. Elongation at the break 2.7 to 3.5 percentage, elastic recovery not enough, specific gravity 1.54, moisture regain 10 to 12 percentage.